Hello guys, welcome to VEDTUBE. In today's video we will see this particular buzzer, or you can say sound device. So we will discuss it, what it is and how it works and how we can use it in with Arduino. You can see its model number is TMB12805. So basically it looks like a piezoelectric buzzer, but it has a small magnet which makes the sounds, which moves the thin metal sheet, which makes the sound. So we will use it with the Arduino Uno, and will make some sounds, different sounds, by using this particular buzzer. You can notice small and big leg. So small one is negative and big one is positive. If the legs are, you can't find the smaller and bigger legs, so you can see that here you can see the positive sign, which means this leg is positive and another one is negative. Also there is a sign over on the top of this particular sensor buzzer. You can find out it from here also. This one is positive and this other one is negative. I'm directly connecting positive and ground to the Arduino positive and ground. I will be using 3.3 volt for positive and ground for the smaller pin. You can hear the sound, it is quite loud. So we will make different sound by using Arduino code, and I'm going to use pin 8 as a negative and pin 11 as a positive for this particular sensor. Connection are here. Now see the Arduino code, and then we will play the sounds. So here in the Arduino code I have selected the blink example from the examples here, basics. So blink example, and I have made some changes. I have shown you that 8th pin I will be using as a ground, and 11th pin I will be using as to give the power, means output to the buzzer. So I have made the 8th pin permanently low to provide the continuous ground to the buzzer, and to 11th pin I am making it high and low to make the sounds. So here I am using for loop to in here I have using this particular loop for 5 times. So for the half, it is a half second delay, so for half second it will be on and half second it will be off. In the second one I am using the for loop for 10 times, because in here the total time is 1 second and here the total time is half second. So I am using it for 10 times, so it will be working for 400 milliseconds. It is the high time, and 100 millisecond for to low time. In the third for loop I have used the for loop for 20 times. It will run for 20 times, and for 100 millisecond the 11th pin will be high, and for the same time interval 100 millisecond 11th pin will be the low. And here in this section we are making 3 different type of sounds in the code. As now we will upload the code by using this button. Firstly select the board and then the port. You can see that in my case the port number is 3, so I have selected the port, and then you can upload the code. And now we will see how the sounds will generated and listen to them. Now you can hear 3 different sound as I have done in the code. So I am plugging in the Arduino and you can hear the sound